Today, we're gonna take you to Outback Steakhouse. This is actually one of our favorite places to go because, well, it's a steakhouse, so a lot of protein. And we're gonna show you exactly what we ordered today so that we can stay fit, build muscle, and lose fat. There's not a lot of cars, and that's also why we like Outback, because there's usually never a wait whenever we come here. Oh yeah, it's empty. And this is lunchtime too.
Most people, when they come to Outback Steakhouse, they think the best option is gonna be the Filet Mignon. But actually there is one better option. It's the best option for steak. It's gonna be the Center-Cut Sirloin. So if we're just looking at the 9 ounces for the Filet Mignon, it's 630 calories. And the Center-Cut Sirloin for 9 ounces is 390. For the Filet Mignon, it is 60 grams of protein versus the Center-Cut being 50. It's still a better calorie for protein ratio.
Another thing for you to think about too is some people come here and they think they're eating good because they're eating steak and it's just protein. But you pick the wrong steak, you're getting a lot of calories along with it. So if you look at, for example, the ribeye, 1,020 calories for 13 ounces. That's a lot. If you're on 1,500 calories a day, that's literally 2/3 of your whole day. You look at the New York strip, 930 calories, so close to 1,000 as well. And we have some really, really big hitters here, like classic prime rib, 1,520 calories. And Outback style prime rib, 1,810 calories. So sometimes people think they're eating good because they're eating meat, but the type of meat you eat, it really, really will make a big difference for you if your goal is to lose weight. So always pick the lower calorie meats where it's leaner and has more protein.
Thank you so much. Oh, that actually looks so good. Look at broccoli.
Thank you. All right, so every video, we're gonna give you a nutrition tip. Today's tip is eat your protein first because, first of all, you're hungry. So if you eat your protein first, it tastes really good. But second of all, a lot of people have problem getting protein in and they have no problem getting the sides in, right? Like French fries, onion rings, bread. So that's why you want to eat your protein first and then afterwards you start eating your sides. Potatoes is one of the best carbs you can have when you're dieting because you can have so much potatoes versus other things like rice, bread, pastas. 9 ounces of potatoes is 200 calories. And so this is your best option if you want to stay full while you're dieting. Also, another thing with potatoes is it always comes with the sides, right? Always, of course, ask this on the side. And if you take a look, I didn't even touch this one. And I barely touched this because I really don't need a lot for my potatoes. But this is where a lot of the calories are also coming from. It's the butter, the cheese, the bacon, the sour cream. So be very careful with this.
So my whole meal is 630 calories and about 60 grams of protein. So I'm gonna try the steak. This is medium rare, Center-Cut Sirloin. So good. Obviously, it's not going to be the most tender, but if you order your steak, like a medium rare or rare plus, it's going to be juicier and also easier to eat too, versus being that one person that orders it well done and they're like, for the steak alone, I might give it a 7.5 out of 10.
So my whole meal right here, because I got 2 potatoes, we're looking around 830 calories. And here's my taste test. I think this is juicy enough. She said it's not. I think it is. I give it an 8.5 out of 10.
No, it is juicy. I said it's about the tenderness.
Oh, tender? I think it's pretty tender.
For Center-Cut, yeah.
For Center-Cut steak, yeah. Pretty good. 8.5. Okay. By the way, out of all the places we go to, this is probably the most wholesome place because literally there's 2 ingredients. It's steak and potatoes. That's it. The thing is that you can go out and have this in case you're trying to socialize with family or friends, and you can really still stay on track. You guys remember I said potatoes filling? Look at Jordan's plate.
I can't do it.
You can't do it. I'm also feeling a little full too. I still have my my other half of one left. Yep, potatoes and steak, it's filling.
If you like this video, like and subscribe, please.
And feel free to check out some of the other videos we made on this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next one.